Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to CyberPanel security and resource alerts detailed guide step by step clearly. Enter your administrator credentials to access the main interface. Once logged in, navigate to the notifications section on the left-hand panel. Click on alert settings to view the available options. You will see options for different types of alerts, including security and resource notifications. Select the alerts you wish to receive notifications for. Now, locate the section labeled Email Notifications. Enter your preferred email address where you want to receive these alerts. Ensure you double-check the email address for accuracy to avoid missed notifications. You may find additional options to customize the frequency of the alerts. Choose your desired frequency, whether immediate, daily, or weekly. After configuring your preferences, look for the Save button at the bottom of the page. Click Save to apply your changes. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your settings have been successfully updated. To test if your subscription works, trigger a test alert if the option is available. If there's no option for a test alert, monitor your email for the next scheduled notification. Ensure your email provider isn't sending these alerts to your spam folder. If you do not receive any alerts, check back in the alert settings to confirm your email address is correct. Make sure the alerts you've selected are enabled. For any issues, consult the CyberPanel documentation for troubleshooting tips. This completes the subscription process for CyberPanel security and resource alerts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.